Welcome to the Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Property Visual Tour. This is part of our complete listing marketing package for every listing. Please visit our model home at 13,601 Beobridge Avenue. Open daily 11 a.m., 7 p.m. Photos and 3D tour for demonstration purposes only. Built by Classic American Homes. The Colorado floor plan. Wonderful open floor plan, living room with high ceilings open to dining area and kitchen. Beautiful kitchen with granite countertops and tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, large island, and rich wood cabinets with crown molding and hidden hinges. 3 large bedrooms upstairs, with 2.5 baths. Great features like refrigerated air, tile flooring in living areas.